Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Joy and my channel's name is It's Joy. I do a lot of hair related and beauty related content. Make sure you lock me in and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Miss Bella Hadid's infamous hairstyle. This hair is really chic, it's elegant, it's easy to do, and you could wear it in any setting, whether it's casual, formal. You could rock this hairstyle anywhere. It's super easy and it's super simple, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Make sure you stick around. Starting out with a silk press. If you'd like a video on how I achieve my silk presses at home, comment pressed. In order to achieve this look, we're going to need to make sure we have the perfect ponytail. We're going to take a rat tail comb and we're going to divide our hair into 4 different sections. The first section is going to be from the top of the ear to the other ear. Clip the front section away and we're going to focus on the back. For the second section, we're going to be making a circular parting from the top of your crown to the start of the nape. I know I didn't explain this well, so I included a diagram for this part of the sectioning just because it is a little bit complex. It was also complex for me to decide how I wanted to explain it. So if you're still confused and you don't get what I'm talking about, please let me know. I'll have no problem redoing this video whatsoever. Clip away the remaining hair and that will be your third section. Now we're just going to take our board brush and start shaping everything. So we're just going to be brushing the ponytail high up. You want it to make sure it sits on top of the crown because she is wearing a pretty high pony in the picture. Going in with the Got To Be spray, I'm going to spray the back of that section and then use my blow dryer on cool to lock it into place. Once you see everything is locked into place, I'm going to be using a rubber band to start the base of the ponytail. Make sure everything is sleek. You do not have to really watch out for partings, that does not matter, but you just want to make sure everything is sleek since this is the base of the ponytail and you want it to be perfect. This is how you prevent those bumps and lumps. Make sure everything from the front to the back is nice and sleek. Now you're going to take the third section and just slick it up to the ponytail that you have already created and just go back in and repeat the same process. Got to be in cool air and then just brush it with a board bristle brush to really mold it into shape. Now that everything is sleek and in place and molded to perfection, we're going to use a rubber band to combine section number 3 with section number 2. Let's get into the fourth and final section. Start off by splitting your hair down the middle and clip one side off and divide the remaining hair into 2 horizontal pieces. But at the front where your bangs should be, part your hair at an angle, almost like a triangle. If you have shorter pieces up at the front like I do, make your triangle go a little bit further back just so that your shorter hair pieces have something to stick to. Now we're going to be taking that section and clipping it away. We're going to take the remaining hair in that section and split it into 2. Sectioning your hair just makes everything a lot easier to work with. Trust me when I tell you your arms are not going to hurt by the end of this. Once you have your section, just hit it with some Got To Be spray. Brush it out with your board bristle brush. Make sure that it is a hard board bristle brush because that's the way you're going to get everything to lay really smooth, and we're just going to mold it right into our section 2. Once you get one side locked down, you could jump right over to the other side and do the exact same thing.
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me. just know this and know this. I did low key.
Now we're going to get into our bangs. We're just going to slick those back as well, but you're gonna want to make sure that you are curving your bangs away from each other just to really reinforce that middle part. Once everything is in place, tie the remaining hair off with a rubber band. Congratulations, you have just completed the hardest part, and that is the base of the ponytail. She is secure. She looks so good. She looks really elegant. She looks sleek. She looks put together. Now that we have achieved the perfect ponytail, we're going to start off by braiding your ponytail into a 3-strand braid and tie the end off with a rubber band. I'll be using pack hair that I got from the beauty supply store. This is the Outre Purple pack, and it is in a yaki texture. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but I will be attaching links down below for all the products that I have used in this video. I'm now taking the wefts and I'm wrapping them around the base of my ponytail. Once I get it wrapped around once, I will secure that into place using a bobby pin. I'll continue to wrap the weft around my ponytail until I get the right amount of density. I did forget to mention that this is 16 inches. Looking back at this video, I definitely would have gone a lot shorter. You could definitely do 14. I do end up cutting this hair towards the end of the video. I would also recommend wrapping the ponytail into a bun instead of just leaving it out there hanging. It was a lot harder to disguise and put into a bun once I was wrapping wefts around my hair. Going to be going in with my Hot Tools micellar iron. I definitely would recommend a wand for this. I only use this because the barrel was small enough. It is about a 1/2 inch barrel, I believe. And I'm just going to be wrapping my hair, going different directions to give it that messy, lived-in, romantic look. For the bun, I'm just going to fold my wefts in half with the curls going towards the front of my face. And then I'm just going to secure that bun with a rubber band. And look, it looks so cute already. You honestly could leave the style just like this. To make the bun look more effortless, pull on different pieces and pin them down. This is the part where you're just going to play around with the hairstyle and be creative with it. Take some curls, pin them down to places you think that they would look good. Let your creativity really mold you in this moment. I was really nervous about the back of my head. I thought maybe the weft was showing in the back, but now that I am reviewing the footage, I see that this hairstyle is so easy because it completely covers up the weft. no one's going to be able to tell that it's not your hair and that you added in extensions. This is how the front of the hair came out. As you can see, I'm still messing with it, but it honestly didn't do or fix much. I definitely forgot to get a lot of stills within this video because I was in a hurry. I do end up towards the end of the video fixing it a little bit, just doing some cutting to make it give it a more Bella Hadid effect. Please stick around to watch that. I had to leave in the middle of the tutorial. I had to go shadow a stylist, and as I was shadowing, I kept looking at my hair and I was like, these pieces are so long, so I want to cut them just to give it more of a Bella Hadid effect. I'm just gonna retouch a couple of my curls, but when I tell you guys, like, this ponytail method and leaving these strands out, like, it's just such a light style. Like, I did not get a headache. I could sleep in this tonight and I wouldn't feel horrible. I was able to, like, just go on about my day. It was a really light and easy hairstyle. This definitely is now going to be in the arsenal as a go-to style. Definitely, if you're gonna do this, use a wand. So I'm just gonna take a razor, and you guys can get a razor from like Sally's and possibly a beauty supply store. I'm just gonna take my razor, and I also know, guys, I do need to get a camera that zooms in more on my hair. So I'm just gonna take a couple of pieces, just the ones that are like up front, and I think I want them to start at like my eyebrow. So just, ooh, that's super cute already. I like that little spring bag. Okay, this is looking a little bit more Bella Hadid for sure. It was the length that needed to go. It's super cute, super chic. I better see you guys rocking this summer. This is definitely giving, let me turn this off, lots of summer vibes. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this. Comment down below. Come on, camera. Let me know if you guys, comment down below if you are going to try this out, and if you are, let me know how it goes, because it was honestly so easy. There's no excuses for you to not look or show up as the best version of yourself because I just gave it to you on a platter. No research, no nothing. If you guys want a better video, because I feel like I didn't film it that well, or you guys weren't able to see lots of details, I'm willing to redo this video over just because it was that easy. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to lock me in, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye.